Alright, it's the coolest thing. Monday, sorry if I can't stand still. This here woodpecker started working on this hole. And I started gardening. And he has gotten it where he can get his body in it. And every now and then his mate, of course I'm not sure if it's the girl or the boy, will show up and they'll get it on the branch. I love, first time I ever seen a woodpecker make a nest. That is so cool. He's all the way in now, but he first started it was on the outside. So he's getting close, getting done. Good job, woodpecker. And tomatoes and mulch. I got 36 of them. And over there is peppers. Right? And a plum tree. Big old bushy booger. Seems to be the frost got them and the plums have fallen. They're all on the ground. It sucks, but that's the way it is. Another plumber. And the apple. And one bloomed about 3 weeks ago. Get off me, branch. One bloomed about 3 weeks ago. And this one just started. So I'm not going to have any apples. I don't know what's going on with that. It's kind of weird. Okay, and cucumbers. Those are the long salad kind. I got some pickling cucumbers. And I got a loon watermelon. Better make a big one. I got some squash. There. I got some. Everybody knows that is broccoli. And this kale. And the rabbits got everything but a couple of them. I think I have. Oh, there's a good broccoli. That's good broccoli. Rabbits got everything but a couple of my cabbages. And I got some monster cauliflower. And there's some carrots. Okay. And kale. And carrots. And I put 4 loads. Took me 3 days because I got to take everything slow. But I mulched everything around the edges of them to keep the weeds down. And I got 2 rows of bush beans and 2 rows of pinto beans, 2 rows of Texas purple hull peas, 1 row of lima beans, and 1 3/4 of a row of okra. And every row is about 100 foot long. Alright. I mean, these things are monsters, man. Ooh, I see a cauliflower starting to form. Good. These are monsters. They're huge. Alright, onions. Right there. Lettuce. About to play out. Picked squash. It was right here. I planted a basil. And I'm trying something new, Jesse. I am planting one of those seeds you sent me. A big old Russian sunflower with a tomato. And I'm going to stake it up with that. Okay? And that's the corn. I got 4 rows of corn. Okay? And that's more lettuce. I got more lettuce. Anybody want any lettuce? Holler! Beets. Oh boy, they're good too. Bowls on the other night. Alright, these I've already picked. Cauliflower. Broccoli. Now look down the road where I mulched it. It took me 3 days. That's why I've been watching Woody Woodpecker the whole time. He's been working on it for 3 days. I think he's done. I love that Woody Woodpecker. Alright, then I have. Ooh, can't see. Let me cut it off. 6 blueberries. I think I'll have some blueberries this year. Taters, I already picked some. Boy, them new taters. Woo! Woo! I love new taters. They're good. And so, here's the corn again. And asparagus is about done. So I'm letting this go out for next year. It was good. Can't eat much of it because of the meds I'm on. Alright. Alright. Ooh, blackberries are blooming. I've cut back on the blackberries. Used to have a whole row of them, but I changed them over to blueberries, blackberries. And well, alright, Jess, that's the garden. I tell you what, it's a pretty little garden here. Probably the best one I've had in a long time. I didn't have one last year. Couldn't keep it up. But this year, Lord be willing, done deal. Here's the barns. Horses and cows. Woo! I'm here. Oh, what are you trying to mount her for, you dumb? You're about once. You're about. That's little black cows. I think he's Angus. He's pretty though. That's a Charolais. That's a Holston. I'm not sure what she is. Here's another she. There's Rusty. And you know, it's kind of weird. My favorite is I call him Whiteface. Right there. He's been sick so much. But anyway, he's doing real good now. He's a little booger. Ain't he? Pasture looking good. Fixing to bust it with some more fertilizer. And the maters. 10-4. Out the back door. Talk to you later. Love y'all. Bye. My little love. Maddie. What are you doing? Come here. Oh, there's Jake.